If you're planning to buy Hostinger today, don't check out until you see this, because there's a simple way to get an even better deal on your hosting. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. And when you use the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied during checkout. The best part is, you don't need to enter a coupon code manually. Just click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose your hosting plan and continue to checkout. Your additional discount will be connected automatically through the link. Now, when you first open the Hostinger pricing page, you'll already see promotional prices. But don't stop there. Those are the standard promotional prices. Your extra 20% discount is applied during checkout when eligible, so continue to the checkout page to see your final price before paying. And if Hostinger isn't showing prices in your currency, click the flag icon at the top of the website and select your country. The pricing will update, making it much easier to see exactly how much you're saving. Now let's talk about which hosting plan makes the most sense for you. If you're creating a personal website, starting a blog, building a portfolio, or launching a small business website, the premium plan is a great place to start. It gives most beginners everything they need without paying for unnecessary resources. Depending on the current plan details, you can get features such as a free domain, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. So instead of buying multiple services separately, you can manage most of what you need from one place. Now, if you're planning to create an online store, manage multiple websites, or want additional performance, take a look at the business plan. This plan adds features like daily backups, a free CDN, and additional resources. Daily backups are especially useful for important websites because your site is regularly backed up. If you accidentally make a change that causes a problem, having recent backups can make restoring your website much easier. A CDN can also improve loading times for visitors in different parts of the world by delivering your website's content from locations closer to them. Now, if you're expecting your website to grow significantly and you want even more resources, consider the Cloud Startup Plan. This option is designed for more demanding websites and can include benefits such as higher performance, priority support, and a dedicated IP. So, choosing your plan is actually pretty simple. Premium is ideal for most beginners and regular websites. Business is better for online stores and growing projects that need additional resources. And Cloud Startup is worth considering when performance and scalability are more important. Another thing I like about Hostinger is its custom H-panel. Hosting dashboards can sometimes feel complicated, especially if this is your first website. But H-panel keeps important tools in one place. You can manage your website, domains, email accounts, WordPress installation, backups, security settings, and other hosting features without needing to be an expert. Hostinger's AI tools can also make the website creation process much faster. If you don't want to spend hours designing everything manually, the AI website builder can help generate a starting website based on your project. You can then customize the design, text, images, and pages to match your brand. Now let's talk about the price, because that's probably why you're watching this video. If you're planning to keep your website for several years, compare the longer billing periods available at checkout. A longer-term option, such as the 48-month plan when offered, can provide a lower effective monthly price than shorter plans.